Welcome to Brain Vision.
Okay, in the Quincke experiment, the sliding tube is pulled by the distance of 16.5 mm. Okay, and we know in this experiment this distance is equals to lambda by 4. Okay, so here wavelength, that is lambda, it will be 16.5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by, it is mm, so it will be 10 raised to the power minus 3 meter. That can be written as 66 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 3 meter. Okay, so minimum intensity, that is given I, and maximum is given 9I. Okay, so in the part A of the okay, I minimum is given I, and I maximum in this question is given 9I. In the part A of this question, we have to find out the frequency. Okay, so we know that velocity is equals to frequency multiplied by wavelength. So frequency will be velocity divided by wavelength. So velocity of the sound, it is 340 meter per second, divided by wavelength, we have found out 66 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 3. So 66 multiplied by minus 10 raised to the power minus 3, so it will be 5000 hertz, or we can say it will be 5 kilohertz. So this will be the answer of part A of this question. And now part B. Okay, we know that I max divided by I minimum, that can be written as K. Okay, A1 plus A2 whole square divided by K, and A1 minus A2 whole square. Okay, that is 9I by I, or we can say it is 9 by 1. Okay, and in the part B of the question, we have to find out the ratio of the amplitudes. Okay, so in the part B, K will be cancelled out. Okay, and now we will take square root in the both side of the equation. So A1 plus A2 divided by A1 minus A2, it will be square root of 9 by 1, it will be 3 by 1. Okay, and now we can say A1 by A2, here it will be, okay, add numerator and divide subtract numerator, so it will be add numerator in the numerator and add denominator in the numerator and subtract denominator in the denominator, so it will be 2 by 1. So A1 by A2 is 2, so the ratio of the amplitude is 2. Okay, this will be the answer of part B of the question, or we can say ratio of the amplitude is equals to 2. This will be the final answer of this question. Thank you.